Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
As the air turns crisp and the leaves begin to fall, there's something truly special about embracing the season with a touch of rustic farmhouse decor. Imagine walking into a home where the warm hues of autumn blend seamlessly with the charm of weathered wood, vintage accents, and cozy textures. Whether you're a longtime fan of farmhouse style or just looking to infuse your space with a bit of rustic elegance, fall offers the perfect opportunity to refresh your home. The beauty of rustic farmhouse decor lies in its simplicity and timeless appeal. Let's explore how you can transform your living space into a cozy, welcoming retreat this fall, filled with the rich textures and colors of the season. Start by focusing on the natural elements that make farmhouse decor so inviting. Think about incorporating materials like reclaimed wood, burlap, and galvanized metal into your space. A simple wooden crate filled with pumpkins, gourds, and dried corn husks can serve as a stunning centerpiece for your dining table or an eye-catching display on your porch. To add a bit of warmth, drape a plaid or knitted throw over your favorite chair, instantly creating a cozy nook for those chilly fall evenings. Another hallmark of rustic farmhouse decor is the use of vintage or antique items. Scour your local flea markets or thrift stores for old wooden signs, weathered picture frames, or vintage baskets. These items not only add character to your space but also evoke a sense of nostalgia that's perfect for the fall season. For a more personalized touch, consider creating your own DIY projects using these materials. A hand-painted sign with a fall greeting or a repurposed ladder used as a blanket rack can add that special farmhouse touch. The color palette is key when creating a rustic farmhouse look for fall. Opt for neutral tones like creams, grays, and soft browns, and then layer in the rich colors of autumn, burnt oranges, deep reds, and golden yellows. These warm hues not only complement the natural materials but also help create a cohesive and inviting space. If you're looking for an easy way to incorporate these colors, consider changing out your pillow covers, adding a few new throw blankets, or swapping in a new rug with fall-inspired patterns. Lighting plays an essential role in enhancing the rustic farmhouse ambience. Soft, warm lighting can make your home feel incredibly cozy and welcoming. Consider adding lanterns, mason jar lights, or even a simple string of fairy lights to create a soft glow in your living spaces. Candles in rustic holders or placed in galvanized trays can also add to the charm while filling your home with the comforting sense of fall. Don't forget about the power of layering when it comes to creating that cozy, lived-in farmhouse feel. Layer different textures, such as a jute rug topped with a soft, patterned one, or mix metal and wood elements to add depth and interest to your space. A rustic wooden bench paired with a pile of cozy, plaid blankets and a few decorative pillows can turn any corner into a perfect fall retreat. Rustic farmhouse decor and the fall season are a match made in heaven. The combination of natural elements, vintage finds, and warm, inviting colors creates a space that feels like a true retreat from the world. As you incorporate these ideas into your home, remember that the beauty of rustic farmhouse decor lies in its simplicity and authenticity. It's about creating a space that feels comfortable, lived in, and deeply connected to the season. Thank you for joining me on this journey to embrace the rustic charm of fall in your home. If you found these tips inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to hear how you've brought the rustic farmhouse style to life in your home, so be sure to leave a comment with your favorite fall decor ideas. Until next time, enjoy the warmth and beauty of the season, and happy decorating!